This is the Hyatt Regency Maui Resort and Spa on Kaanapali Beach. The Hyatt Maui Resort is located on West Maui, right on Kaanapali Beach. The drive from the airport takes about 45 minutes and provides amazing views as you travel around the island. Once you arrive, you can choose to self-park or valet. You are treated to a true Hawaiian welcome with a real flower lei. Check-in was quick and easy. The resort is centered around a lush, open-air atrium with 2 additional towers on each side. We had a partial ocean view room on the top floor of the atrium tower. The rooms have recently been renovated and were modern and extremely clean. Each balcony includes 2 chairs with a small table. We had an amazing view of the island and the Kaanapali golf course, along with our ocean view. We started our first morning bright and early. We booked a room with access to the Regency Club, which includes a full breakfast, drinks, and grab-and-go snacks throughout the day, and appetizers and desserts in the evening. The breakfast changed daily with fresh fruit, pastries, and a variety of different hot and cold items. There is both indoor and outdoor seating with great ocean views. In the evening, they offer beer, wine, and cocktails at a significant discount compared to other locations within the resort. If you don't have club access, Swan Court offers a full breakfast with ocean views. The resort features several native Hawaiian artifacts displays. Resort grounds are incredible, with roaming animals, waterfalls, and several Asian-inspired details. At night, the resort comes alive with tiki torches located across the property. Japango provides upscale Pacific Rim dining for dinner. There's a fitness center and spa located on the south side of the resort right on the beach. A pathway stretches the entire length of the resort and connects to the main path that continues all the way down to Whalers Village in Black Rock. Black Rock has amazing snorkeling with great opportunities to see sea turtles. The beach directly in front of the resort has suffered some erosion damage, and they are working to restore this area of the beach. However, there are great stretches of beach on either side of the resort. The resort does charge a $45 per night resort fee, but this includes beach chair and umbrella rentals that you are free to take with you anywhere on the island. Just be sure to check them out by the pool fairly early in the day, as they can go fast. The program includes a variety of exotic birds that are constantly rotated in and out, but the main feature is definitely the penguins. They offer a feeding demonstration daily.
He's our youngest male. He's 13 years old, and he kind of marches to the beat of his own drummer. He kind of tends to be doing things off away from the rest of the colony.
The pool complex is massive, featuring 2 main pools, water slides, waterfalls, a grotto, and kids area. There were plenty of chairs surrounding the pools, and we never had any problems finding a chair, even in the afternoon. As a bonus, guests of this resort also get access to the pool complex at the Hyatt Vacation property next door. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Also included in your resort fee is a lei making class, hula lessons, and ukulele lessons. There's a luau located right on the property. We did not go, but some of the show was visible right from the walkway. The show includes a full buffet, drinks, and of course, the show complete with Polynesian fire dancers. Make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.